Alright, once again, how are you guys doing? Right back at you. This is Bob from Food Use. And as you can see, I took a bite out of that pizza. That Little Caesar, oh, there goes an olive. That Little Caesar, or Caesar, veggie pizza. So I bought this pizza because I'm trying to see how healthy it is. You can see, looks very healthy to me though, but I got some Cheetos that I'm gonna put on top of the pizza to see what it tastes like, because apparently, I'm gonna try something new. Alright, hope this thing is recording. Alright, so I got some of this flaming hot puffs. I took the wrong bag. I had 2 bags. What the hell? Alright, so I'll go with this one. See this here with the unnatural color? Let me take a bite out of it, see what it tastes like. Ooh, yeah. Got some heat on it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I love me some pizza. I haven't had pizza in a while. And this has a lot of stuff on it, as you can see here. Let me take another bite before I do something with this pizza. Really fresh. I'm just gonna put some on top. That's it, basically. Alright. Just gonna put some on top. Call me crazy Daisy, but look at this. Alright. I just got some Cheetos on top of my veggie pizza. Alright. Hope it's not too windy though. Let me take a bite. First I'm gonna get some bread here. I ain't touched the Cheeto yet. Alright, let me try it out with the Cheetos. Oh wow, it's kind of interesting though. Seems pretty interesting, man. It's interesting. It's kind of good actually. Alright. I'm not a big crust person, so I'm gonna save this for later to dip it with my cheese. Alright. By the way, I got some water here. Get some more of that olive pizza. Look at that black olives right here. And the mushroom situation. I don't know why. This veggie pizza costs more than the pizza with meat. This costs like about $10.99, it's $11. I'm gonna put some more Cheetos on top because we can. That's why. All right, let me take a bite of this. You put that Cheeto in its place. Or I put the Cheeto in its place. I got like more than half a pie left. It's not bad, but see, it gives it an interesting flavor. It's supposed to be flaming hot, but to me, it's not that hot. Little piece over here for the end part. A little bit of crust. Right. This is what I call a crazy pizza. Mushrooms, I love the mushrooms. It's an awesome pizza though. I mean, first time I'm trying the veggie pizza from Little Caesars or Caesars. It's not bad, but I'm a meat kind of guy, you know. Got one here on standby. If you had this this veggie pizza from Little Caesar, leave a comment in the comment section. On a scale of 1 to 5, I gave the veggie pizza with all these vegetables on top, including the olives. I think the olives are the best part, actually. It gives us a little bit of flavor. If you love veggies, I would give it a 5, man. But it's just me, and I'm a big meat eater. For the effort, I give it a it's pretty good though. I'll give it a 4, man. Let me just finish it off with some Cheeto magic on top. Give me some of these Cheetos, man. 3 Cheeto puffs. ready to go downtown. Take more bite out of this one. Alright guys, I got half a pie left. So I'm good for the time being. I'll probably leave the rest until later. Rabbit, catch you guys, and I'll see you guys later. All right, take it easy next time.